Come test drive the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.